everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, and I want to show you the new ink pads, the new in colors with the ink pads. Let me just move you over here. Okay, so the 2018 and 2020 in colors are in, and they are Pineapple Punch, Grapefruit Groove, or Grapefruit Grove, I should say, Blueberry Bushel, Lovely Lipstick, and Call Me Clover. So there is super coloring. Here are, again, this is the Blueberry Bushel, the Lovely Lipstick. Don't you love that color? The Call Me Clover, Grapefruit Grapefruit Grove, and the Pineapple Punch. Now, these are all the new ink pads, and I want to just show you how they open up. They don't push. You don't have to push them anymore. In fact, if you do, you'll break them. So you just grab them like this and open them like this, and just close them the same way. Grab them. Now, when you first get them, they're going to be very hard to push in, really a lot harder than this. Now, there are a couple things you can do. Once you do this 5 or 6 times, it gets easier and easier. Or just take one of the little birthday candles right to it, right there, and they get really good. To close it, you just go like this. Now, somebody told me, because we're so used to pushing it, is to do this upside down. So you're going to open it upside down instead of right side up, because we're so used to pushing it. And you just want to go open it upside down just like this, push it in, and then do the little grooves right here, and then just close it. Okay, thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.